Here's a jaw-dropping at-home science trick that fits in a bottle, a quick colorful fizz that wow kids and grown-ups. Fill a clear bottle with warm water, add a few drops of dish soap, and a splash of baking soda and colorful food coloring. Pour vinegar on top, and in a split second the system erupts with bubbles and a bright color cascade. The science behind it is an acid-base reaction producing carbon dioxide gas, which lifts the colors into a bubbling mini volcano. Keep it safe and kid-friendly by using small amounts and exaggerating the fizz for a satisfying finish.